Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a very delicious, yummy, sweet and a celebrated dishes which is made in every North Indian house during this season. This month, August is our celebrated month. We have Raksha Bandhan, Bhai Dooj, Bhai Tika, and in other parts of India we may call like Bhai Phota and all those. This dishes is if you try it, this dish will be very delicious for you. So let's try, and what it comes out. I am also trying for the first time, and cooking is always an experiment. So let's try this. So this is my homemade ghee. So first I am taking ghee. The measurement is always up to date. So cooking is always an experiment. So if something goes up and down, doesn't matter. So I am taking 2 teaspoon desi ghee. I have made this at my home itself. So we are taking ice cubes to make it a butter consistency. So we'll put it in ghee itself, and now we will blend it and we'll show you how it goes. I'm closing the lid. So see, this has become solidified now. Can you see? And we'll put all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoon. Here I am taking all-purpose flour. So first we'll take 2 spoon only, and then we'll try other. And now we'll have to put here. So now we will have to put cold water. If I am putting 2 spoon of all-purpose flour, then we'll have to put 1 teaspoon of water. Let it blend slowly. Then we'll blend it again. We have to put some more ice as our water is not that cold. So we'll put some more ice over here, and then we'll put again 1 spoon of all-purpose flour, and then we'll have to put again cold water. We'll put our flours again. 1 spoon will be fine. Then we'll put some besan. This will make crispy. So 2 spoons should be fine. And again freezing water. Let us mix all the ghee which are lying in the surface. So we'll mix all, and then we'll blend again. So the mixture has to be in ice freeze space. So that mixture has to be very cold. Otherwise our ghevar will not make smooth. So yeah. So see the consistency here. This is so watery. If your mixture is little bit thick, you can always put water, ice cold water. I'll put some milk over here so that it becomes little more tasty. So I'm putting some milk here. I'll put I'll put the mixture in steel bowl itself, so that it will remain, so steel bowl gets cold easily. So we'll put here. See, it is in very running condition, very running. See, this is very liquidified. So till then I'll have to put this, my batter is get little hot, so I'll put this in freezer for some time, and then I'll make our khebar. So I'll put this in freezer. I don't have a sauce bottle, but if you have any sauce bottle you can use that. Otherwise I have made a DIY of my, I have already like a Sprite bottle. I have taken the lid and just made a hole by making, can you see the hole? Yes, I have made this hole from a rod by heating it, and then just insert it here. So I'll use this as a filter. So if you have sauce bottle you can use that. If you can, even you can use spoon, you can use fork, anything. So if for a beginner I would suggest you can make this. If you don't have your sauce bottle you can make a DIY out of yourself. So now I'll put all my mixture here. I'll put it here, and then I'll show you how I'll put it in oil. So let us heat our oil first. Today I'm taking a small container. Since we have 2 people at my home, so I'm taking small container for 2 persons. If you are making for bigger if you have a joint family, for a large number of friends or large number of family, then you can take other big container. So based on your container size the khebar will be come out. So my container is already, my kadhai is already hot, and I'm not endorsing Patanjali oil, so I am using today Patanjali oil, and I am putting lots of oil. My container is already hot, so you can see all the bubbles here. So I am taking you can see I have put a lot amount of oil. Let's let it get heat, and then we'll use our container. Till then we will add the mixture in our Sprite bottle and will come up. So my oil is already very hot, and I have put my flame low to medium. I am putting it in low flame. So I have put in all my mixture in this DIY bottle. If you can see, this is my DIY bottle. So, and rest of the mixtures I have already put it in freezer. So let's try. Every time we are putting this mixture, we need to put like 1 spoon or 2 spoon, very less amount. You can see the drops which I am putting in. You pour this very carefully because it has oil in it and the mixture has water in it. It may flame can come up high, so very carefully you should putting the mixture. So this, can you see how it is getting sprinkles? So first the bubbles, can you see all those net kind of things? So first the bubble should get settled, and then we'll put a second time. I guess my hole is very small, that's why it is not coming out. Every time you put it, just put very less amount, and all those bubbles should get settled first, and then put the another set like this. Let it get set first. Just be very careful because water will come out. I think I will make my hole a little big, and and then try. I think my hole is very small, the mixture is unable to come out. Yeah, so now I have made a big hole, you can see. So let's try with this. Yeah, it is coming out very nicely. Let's let it get settled first, and then if you see my container, all the spaces is getting covered with the mixture, and I don't have any space where I'll put my mixture over here. So I need to take a fork and just make some space. Don't break the net which it created. Just make some space out of it. Just make a space somewhere in middle, and we'll put the mixture again in the space itself. First you have to see whether it is coming out from the outer part or not. If you see here, see, as a whole the net is coming up, see. So the net is already created, see, it is already coming up. So my net is creating very successfully, it is get created. I'll put some, there is some space over there where I'll put extra mixture, and then I'll take out very carefully with the help of fork and other spoons. See how beautifully my caber came out. Just see the layer I have made a very, just do it very carefully. It's very hot now, but if you see, it's very crunchy. You can see it is getting just as a whole. I can open as a whole, I can make it up, and the layer is very soft and very small. I just like my caber to be very crispy and very the shallow, it should be very shallow. See, and it's perfect round. So similarly I'll make other caber, and today I'm making malai caber. So till then I'll make malai, so all people know how to make malai. So I'll show how to create malai in another video. So the final view I'll come up with.